Today we are here with Autodesk because we are trying to organize a serious game. The idea is to train the people in a way that they engage in a game. So we try to put a bit of fun and help them to take confidence with a new software and empower them with data that come from the platform. What we are trying to achieve is a new form of beauty. We want to embed sustainability in all our design, and we want to empower architects with data. For this reason, we use Forma to analyze the sun, wind, and the environmental impact of our design decision.
So the advantages that Forma really gives us as designers is a very early stage input into the way we have designed, and is able to really fast track the design process with parameters that are suitable for a sustainable design criteria and questioning of the proposal that is on the sketchboard. So it's really a transformative for the design process.
Forma is a platform where it's quite simple to use. Any team member can come in and refine the design in-house and get real-time data back, which then influences and optimizes the design process. I think it's incredibly important for us as a business that we have really strong concepts and really strong narratives as part of our project. And Forma would give us a good opportunity to assess our design solutions, our narratives and our concepts, get key principles agreed up front in real time. It's more of a responsive piece of software that can add value, a lot of value to the upfront stages.
The winning team is...
So Black Widow.
We had one member who had a little bit of experience, but the rest were completely new. We all learned how to model in the first half, and in the second half we put all of our brains together, had a great time doing it, build more and more complex models quite quickly, used a lot of different research tools built in Format that was really simple, and we could all work on at the same time and bring all that together as a team. And I think we would do it again if we got the opportunity to go to the next step.